Bow Windows installation in Austin, Texas, offers a unique opportunity to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bow window styles available, homeowners can choose from custom bow windows, energy-efficient bow windows, and more to suit their specific needs. Bow Windows Austin contractors are skilled in providing top-notch bow window solutions that cater to both residential and commercial properties. Custom bow windows in Austin are designed to meet the unique preferences of each homeowner. Whether you prefer vinyl bow windows, wooden bow windows, or aluminum bow windows, there are numerous bow window options to consider. Bow window customization allows for a personalized touch, ensuring that your bow window design complements your home's architecture and style. Energy-efficient bow windows Austin are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies to provide superior insulation and energy savings. Bow window experts in Austin can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best energy-efficient bow windows for your home. Bow window replacement in Austin is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Over time, bow windows may require replacement due to wear and tear or outdated designs. Bow window specialists in Austin offer comprehensive bow window replacement services, ensuring a seamless transition to new, modern bow window styles. Bow window replacement in Austin is essential for addressing any issues that may arise with your existing windows. From minor replacements to major overhauls, bow window replacement services in Austin are designed to restore the functionality and appearance of your windows. Trust the bow window experts in Austin to provide reliable and efficient replacement solutions. Vinyl bow windows. Austin are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows offer a sleek, modern look while providing excellent insulation and energy efficiency. Bow window contractors in Austin can help you explore the various vinyl bow window options available to enhance your home's appeal. Wooden bow windows in Austin offer a classic, timeless look that adds warmth and character to any home. These windows are crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring longevity and beauty. Bow window specialists in Austin can assist you in selecting the perfect wooden bow windows to complement your home's design. Aluminum bow windows in Austin are known for their strength and durability, making them an excellent choice for homeowners seeking long-lasting window solutions. These windows are available in a variety of styles and finishes, allowing for customization to match your home's aesthetic. Bow window experts in Austin can help you explore the benefits of aluminum bow windows. Bow window design in Austin is constantly evolving, with new trends and innovations emerging regularly. From contemporary to traditional styles, there are numerous bow window design options to consider. Bow window contractors in Austin stay up to date with the latest bow window trends, ensuring you have access to the most current and stylish options. Affordable bow windows. Austin provide homeowners with cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality or style. Bow window specialists in Austin offer a range of affordable bow window options, allowing you to enhance your home without breaking.